Welcome back, everyone. I know it has not been that long, but to me it feels an eternity since I did the last video on Sunday morning. But anyway, as you can see from the titles, I have a 5 models unboxing for you today. No review, just the unboxing. So without further ado, let's jump into this unboxing. So for this massive unboxing, I have not just one box, but there are 2 boxes including 5 planes, and I pre-ordered almost all of these planes and they finally arrived now. So I'm very excited. Let's start off by opening box number 1. So yeah, with the Swiss Army knife, no problem at all opening up the box. Let's see which model is first, and if we get it out, we can see it's a United 767 300ER from GeminiJets. I actually bought 2 of these models. You could tell from the thumbnail, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, very cool to finally get them. I was very excited. And then the third model in the box is a United Intel 11 by NG models in the old United livery. Also very excited for this model. I love the livery, I love the L1011. 3 very cool planes. Let's hope they're not broken or there's anything bad about them. Now that was it with the first box, and I'm gonna spoil it to you right now. The second box will contain 2 narrow body airplanes. Without further ado, let's open up this second box. The first one had 3 wide bodies. Now the second one is going to contain 2 narrow bodies. 2 models I'm also very excited for. Those are all very nice planes that I ordered, in my opinion. So the box is open. Let's take a look and see the one I was most excited about, the NG model 737 from United in the Starlines livery, as well as the Southwest 737-800, which I already have one from NG models. But it is an absolutely amazing model. I love Southwest, I love their livery. So I got the second one, and I'm very happy that I got it. Those 2 models, absolutely stunning models. Again, I think you are now very excited to have a look at the model. So I'll take them out of the box and show them to you. Like every new model, it's gonna get their place on the display shelf. Now, one space is still empty for a model I'm very excited that's coming very soon in the couple next days, so stay tuned for that one. Then we have the United and L1011. We have the 2 United 767s, the Star Alliance 737 from United, and the 737 Southwest. Now I'm gonna spoil, there is one model that I'm not quite as happy with, but you have to wait for the review of that model to find out which one it is. That was it with the unboxing. The reviews will be separately, so let me know down below in the comment which one you want to have reviewed first on my channel. Now, I did an Instagram poll and most people voted for the United 767. Let's see what the votes are gonna be like on this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next review. That's probably gonna be tomorrow or on Friday, something like that. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.